Good morning, everybody. Today we are doing something completely new to us. We are going to be walking 3/4 of a mile to our next hotel here in Chiang Mai, all to save $3 or 2 Michelin rated meals.
We have our suitcases stuffed, so I think we're gonna have to get rid of some things, but that'll be the next hotel's problem.
We better get going.
Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we can stay young forever. Where will you go if you could time travel?
Did you ever in your wildest dreams think you'd be rolling a suitcase through the streets of Chiang Mai, Thailand?
Never.
And this is why our suitcases are never sitting on the bed again. We're a third of the way there.
Our suitcases really have to hold up for this.
If Swiss Gear Luggage ever wants to sponsor us, we've got some footage to share with you. Another Swiss Gear going by. Seriously, Swiss Gear, our DMs are open. Two-thirds yummy.
I am sweating so much. I didn't think this would be such a workout. Mostly for my back.
We're definitely earning our pad thai and iced tea today.
Yeah.
Every single taxi and tuk-tuk that drives by us honks at us. Finally turning down a calmer street. We're gonna be staying across the street from this temple. And here's our new home for the next week. We survived.
Looks like a hot one.
I think we earned ourselves a beer.
Yeah, we do. That was like, those 15 minutes were a combination of like hot, humidity, a lot of weight on our bags, and a lot of taxis honking at us. But our room will be ready in 1 hour, so in the meantime, get some drinks.
Cerveza time.
Yeah, and some food.
There's a couple of restaurants on our street now that look really good, but either they're really expensive or they just straight up don't have pricing on their menus.
Yeah, I don't like when they do that. It's like, just be honest and upfront, because that's practically like the thing that I look at before I even decide to eat. Oh my god, I have sweat. This is the biggest Thai iced tea I've ever seen. It's perfect. It's the perfect size. I put this right next to my head so you can see how big it is. Oh yeah, it's really good. I mean, it's always good. I am so happy with this. I'm definitely coming back.
Demi's always noticeably happier after her morning Thai iced tea.
As we're walking around and trying to find restaurants, I came up with this new thing that I use to see if the restaurant is out of our budget or not. It's called the Mango Sticky Rice Index, and if it's over 50 baht, then it's a no, because the mango sticky rice is more, than the fried rice or the pad thai will be more as well.
We're walking halfway back to our last hotel to go to the restaurants that are there.
Yeah, I'm down to explore more of our area, but for right now, I know what I like.
We came back to this restaurant where we had noodles, and this time I ordered fried rice, and Moses got instant noodles with veggies, and he got 2 portions. I think it is well deserved because it was a lot of work to get to the hotel from the suitcase. But on the bright side, we saved that money so we could eat this.
That's some good looking fried rice.
Yes. I wonder what this is. It's like a whipped cream.
That was a very filling lunch, and that was definitely worth saving the money and walking to the hotel.
Our hotel room should be ready by now, so we're gonna make a quick stop to 7-Eleven and get to work.
Picked up our snacks and our water for the next day. And now we're gonna head back to the hotel and get some work done. We've already gotten our workout for the day, and so we're gonna take it easy. We just got into our new home for the next week, so now, once again, Yemi's gonna give you a room tour before we make it into a disaster zone.
Here is the entrance. We have a space that we could work, and they even included a bench. This could also work as a vanity. At least that's the way I see it. And they also have nightstands, one on my side, one on your side. We got a queen bed. And look how cute they folded the towels. That is so cute. I want to learn how to do that. They provided us waters, coffees, water boiler, and a seat as well so we can sip our morning coffee. And oh, this side as well. You can hang your clothes here if you'd like. And we got a fridge, basket for maybe dirty laundry. We also have a TV. We've been having a couple of issues with the TVs here. Either they don't work or, well, I guess it's not really an issue because it's in their language. So like if you want to see a program, it's gonna be in Thai. And now we are here at my favorite part, which is the patio. They have 2 chairs outside, a little place to rest your feet or to place your drink, and the view. And right across is the bathroom. They also folded the towel in such a cute little way. I've never been to a hotel that does it like this. And even the toilet paper is folded up really cute. So we got the toilet over there, the sink provided us. Oh, okay, like little hand soap, shower cap. And here is the shower.
This is probably the nicest bathroom we've had so far.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I love that you can either take a shower under this shower head or you can move it with your hands. And they also provided shampoo and conditioner. And this is a sliding.
And that's
a lot of very dangerous videos to film. And this is also a sliding door. I'm still here. So this will be our home for the next week, and we will be here still in Chiang Mai. But now we are staying in the southern part of the square, so we're going to get to exploring soon, hopefully, after we finish our work. This hotel costs us $29 a night, which is the cheapest that we've had here in Thailand.
We didn't take any videos of us working because you've seen plenty of time lapses of that, so you don't know what that looks like. But we were able to both knock out a whole bunch of videos and a whole bunch of work, and we're getting caught up little by little.
And I'm also running a little bit behind on Instagram and TikTok, but we are catching up.
Little by little.
We went from a hotel elevator with a lot of mirrors to now looking like an insane asylum.
We're gonna go grab some dinner right now. We're gonna explore our neighborhood a little bit and see what's here. And there's a pool cat. Now that we're in a new neighborhood, we're gonna explore our area just a little bit and see what food options we have available. And hopefully not get hit by a car. We just walked out of our hotel street and to the right, and it looks like there might be a market up ahead. There's a lot of activity. Definitely something. I think this is an event tied to the Flower Festival going on right now. Yemi's favorite tulips. Especially the yellow ones.
Interesting subjects inside the river, such as a futuristic rock sculpture.
We know that we're setting up for the Flower Festival close to our old hotel and right next to Yemi's favorite Thai iced tea shop. But we had no idea that there was a huge park here that was all set up for the Flower Festival too.
The street carts are packed with people, so we decided to leave that area and we came across a lot of flowers.
If you would like to use a card, Chiang Mai Flower.
ต้องการเศษใจเก็บเอาคืนไปกันให้มาพอกำกาบ่แม่นคนดี
The music is really great. It's nice and upbeat.
I've been wanting ribbon potato for a long time, and I can finally justify it for like $1.20 or so.
The powder's falling off.
Yeah. That's really good.
It tastes like a baked Lay's and it's covered in cheese. No! When you order these, you're gonna lose like half of the chips.
Unfortunately, there's not as much street food as we were hoping for over here, and the street food that is here is very, very, very crowded. So instead, since it's late and we're tired, we're sticking to ramen and soju for dinner.
I wasn't expecting as many people there, but the flower festival was very pretty and it smelled really good all around with the flowers, all different types. It was a lot of fun to visit and they had the lights. That was my favorite part.
But now we know what we're gonna do tomorrow, so we'll see you all tomorrow.
Bye!